Sometimes my grandson Josh comes in the afternoon for coffee. Hi, Josh.
How you going?
Good. Sometimes I make him my tiger cake.
Today, can you teach me how to make my favourite cake?
I think it's just never cook the cake. What you need to do, first you need to do the tin.
Yeah.
To put a little bit oil. Enough oil. In your brush, you will put a little bit of flour. Okay, enough. Charles! And now, here, you start.
Grate some lemon zest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who taught you how to make this cake?
My friend Nanna, you do the lemon, but you have big mushroom. Come on, Charles. I'm much stronger than Charles. Now you need to make the egg replace.
Yeah.
You need to put this,
Yeah.
some water, and you whisk.
Yeah.
Come on, Charles.
Is it done?
Yeah.
God, my arm's dead. All this sugar?
Yeah. All?
So I put the vanilla in now?
Yeah. Put the lemon.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh.
Put the flour.
Yeah.
Do it. Put a little bit milk. You put all you did. Put a little bit. Oh, sauce. It's all right. The vermouth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Flavor. Okay. The tin.
In the pan?
No. Put on. Ah! With the sun, you make the cacao.
Does that mean the chocolate part?
Yes.
Am I allowed to lick the bowl, Nana?
Yes.
Yeah. Now?
No.
Oh.
When finish.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Josh, you need to put the chocolate now.
Yeah. So what are we doing with this?
Like this, enough up. Or.
Yeah. Watch me.
No. Round first and after up.
Okay. Round. No.
Up.
And round.
Up like this.
No, like this.
Yeah. And up.
I've been demoted from swirling. I think the way I was doing it was better.
Shush.
What temperature does the oven have to be for the cake to go in?
180.
180? For how long?
Nearly 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay, you can put on.
Yeah.
No, hi. Charles! This is naughty.
Put it in the oven?
Yeah, there.
So how do you know when the cake's ready?
When they used to come and still smell the cake.
Smelled the cake. What do we do now?
Now, wait till the cake cook and clean it up all the bits.
You remember the time you put salt instead of sugar on the cake?
Yes, this was the first time.
That's a lie.
I think I smell the cake is ready. You need to test so the cake is cooked.
Yeah, how do we check if the cake's good?
Is it dry?
Yeah.
The cake is cooked. It's ready.
Yep.
Yeah. Put the rail. All done, Josh.
Beautiful. Let's eat it. Do you want a big one?
No, it's
I'll give you a big one.
Wow. Josh, this is too big.
No, that's good. Oh, man. Oh, that's awesome, Nana.
No, eat all.
Not bad.
Now you can make this cake for your girlfriend. Make a surprise.
Yeah.
She don't believe you make the cake.
Everyone loves a man who can bake.